As we move towards the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047, the ANRF occupies an extremely important and unique role. It is bound to become the integrating spine of India's research and innovation architecture. ANRF is designed to do what no single institutions, and as I mentioned, the erstwhile Science Engineering Research Board could do. For example, align the principal investigator driven research, the mission oriented solution focused research, or now as was mentioned also in the film, the most recent setting up of the 1 lakh crore research development and innovation fund for investment in the private sector R&D and the deep tech startups. Today, the challenges that we face either globally or locally, whether it is in the area of climate change and sustainability or food and water security, energy transition, health securities, are very complex, interconnected and global in nature. The advances in new age technology like artificial intelligence has make this space even more complex. And therefore addressing the challenges that face our society and also globally requires a convergence across disciplines, ministries and sectors. ANRF provides that platform through which this convergence can become systematic rather than merely incidental. The Department of Science and Technology, apart from the ANRF, has launched several mission mode programs. Our other sister ministries have also significant programmatic R&D interventions. So together, these initiatives, whether they are other missions in other ministries like quantum mission in the DST or cyber physical missions, or the biomanufacturing programs, these initiatives reflect a decisive shift from the technology adoption to a leadership in the technology. By aligning our policies, our institutions and our talent, we are building an ecosystem that is resilient and also globally competitive. I would urge all of you on this occasion to reflect that how we can work together to ensure that our scientific excellence continues to translate into a much more stronger, self-reliant and the developed economy.